Oh, my socks are so wet. I got loads of snow down my boots today. I'll hang my socks at the top of the tent and they'll dry out pretty quick. So I gotta make sure I don't roll up against the inside of the tent in the middle of the night. Otherwise my bag will get soaked. But if I roll over to the right too far, then I'll hit the stove and then I'll burn up. So, you know, I guess it just won't wiggle around much. All right, got my hot water bottle with 2 liters of boiling water. Well, it's toasty warm in this bag, and I am tired, so I'm going to hit the sack. And we're going to see what this blizzard brings, because I can hear it snowing really hard right now. We'll see what we got in the morning.